awesome viewers, it's Wiley bringing you back with another video, and today Jack is going to be showing us a tutorial how to get beef camouflage in Roblox. So yeah, let's get on it.
Okay, so today, we were on Riley's account. So what I'm gonna do is that you go to your avatar. So just below friends. Now, what you have to do, you have to unequip. So what you have to do is that you have to go to clothing, and then you go to shirts. You unequip the shirt, and you go on hair. You unequip the hair. Now you go to shirts. Oh, never mind. You have to go to pants. Unequip this. Just pretty much unequip every single thing you're wearing right now. So now, yeah, just equip everything you're wearing. Okay, now I look like this. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go to body, we go to skin tone, we go to more advanced. What you do is that you have to go and make your whole body this colour. So, and then what you do for the torso, make a slightly lighter colour. So your body ends up looking like this. Yes, so
if you haven't liked and subscribed, please do it now. Wait, like the video and subscribe if you're new, and don't forget to turn post notifications on so you never miss a video, and comment what video you want us to do. Back to you, Jack.
Okay, so now you see that I'm fully the colour white. So what you have to do is that you have to go to, another thing also, so if you want to go to animations, you go to wall, and you go to animations, then you go to emotes, you choose them. So for example, you can do the height, for example. Well, I'll do that in the next video, so make sure you subscribed. And now I go to
and turn post notifications on.
Yes, so and now I go to all, and I turn off the man, all the stuff that has man, besides the smile. Yeah, okay, now you look like this. Now you join a game of hide and seek. Now you play the game hide and seek extreme. You'll see it. It's the one that 4,000 people are playing right now. You go click it. And then you play the one where it's made by Tim, 77775. Now click it and you join the game. Just loading. We're just loading the game. So what we have to do, we have to wait 29 seconds
till the game ends.
Until the game ends, and then I'll show you. Because you know why I chose the colour? Could you see around that there are lots of walls that are the similar colour to the
Yes,
colour that of the skin I chose. Okay, so now.
Yeah, we're just loading in right now to get in. And we got Ethan's bedroom.
Anyone, if your name's Ethan, comment down below, and I wish that, and you get a million, you get 5 years of free luck if your name is Ethan.
And the person that in is Nasu.
And a bunch of letters.
And a bunch of numbers and letters. So yeah. Okay, Jackson, as you can see, he's starting. And now he's trying to camouflage with the walls.
So I'll show
As you
you.
can see, it's working really well. His skin is like very old and like old punchy.
So you see like this. Would you be able to see that from a long distance?
No.
Exactly.
So he's saying you can't see it if you camouflage in white and your skin's white. They won't be able to see you because you're obviously the same color as the wall.
Only from a long distance away, like from short distance away, you could probably see it.
Yeah, from short distance you could probably
But that's
see them.
why it would be suggested to go into a corner like that.
Yeah, a corner,
And-
like a dark shadow corner.
I bet you he won't find him, and Jack won't move. He'll
Yeah.
just stay in the same place.
Yeah, Jack won't move. He'll just stay in the same
And
place.
hopefully they don't find me.
Yeah, hopefully they don't find him.
So now we're gonna go and click spectate it, and we're gonna click.
And as you can see, it's right near him. Well, very close to him.
So remember the corner before, like the one up there?
Yeah, near the teddy bear.
That is where Jack is, and that it is not paying any attention to that corner because
Like she sees no one there.
But she sees lots and lots of other people. And guys, if you know what studs mean, could you tell us in the comments down below? Because it said is it, which is that person who is in, is 560 studs away. So if you know what studs are, can you
Tell
tell
us in the comments.
Yeah, tell us in the comments.
it is near you.
Yeah, she's close to her. Spectated. Jack?
Oh, you see, she doesn't even see me.
Directly behind you.
You
and
see,
she's
that's how close it is. And that's how close I am. See?
There's 2 minutes remaining, so let's see if he can hold another 2 minutes.
1 minute now. I'm sorry about the whisper, we're just making a plan.
About our next videos and stuff.
Yeah.
Now, it is probably trying to try hard mode. Oh god, no.
Oh, Jack got tagged, but he did very good.
So guys, you see how close I was? That's how close. I I was like there for like 9 minutes or so. So guys, remember this tutorial. And and next time you play this game, please do what the instructions I did. And goodbye guys, hope you enjoyed that tutorial. Goodbye.